Hello. Hi YouTube. It's Candy Cubana, and I know you guys are probably like, "What the is wrong with her face?" This is a cucumber mask. Do not be alarmed. Um, I'm about to be on my way to bed, but as y'all can see, I am going through an acne transition, and I'm peeling. And I just had to make this video cute somehow, some way. So I put some little hearts up there on my head, baby, because you're gonna love me. Like, you're just going to love me. But anyway, this is about the unboxing for the Smiles Direct. So let's get to it. First things first. I went to the physical store and got a bag from them. Inside the bag came these cute little lip balm. It twists off like this. And it smells really, really good. It smells like coconut. But it's cute. It got their logo on it. I got a Future Grinner's Guide, which you guys seen in the previous video that I made. It's about all the smile journeys of other people. And little information, facts and questions, and things like that. And then this was really cool. They gave me a LED smile brightening light. So basically, this is to whiten your teeth, so you can charge it in your phone. So you can be just sitting there bleaching your teeth while you playing a game or on social media or something. I thought that was really cool. Oh, my face look crazy. I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying to be the best myself. My best self, okay? Okay. It comes with the case for the LED light brightener tool. This is the tool. Okay. Charger, plugins, things like that, and they're for all different types of phones, computers that you may have, tablets, devices. So I just put it in here in this little case that they gave me. There is a Bright On whitener, so you can put this on. You use this for 2 days. If you have more, you can use it more days or whatever. But it's supposed to be 4 uses. So, yeah. And if I'm talking funny, you guys, I do have my aligners on right now. So they do make me talk a little funnier, which I don't mind because I know what I'm doing with my life. So everybody could kick rap. So this is the grand finale. This is the box, child, that it came in. Unboxing. Open for a lifetime supply of confidence. Okay. I'm going to just put it out this way. So it comes in a nice purple put together box. It's very cute. When you first open it, there's information pamphlets, questions and answers about the Bright On pen and the Invisalign retainers themselves. That's pretty self-explanatory. First things first, they give you a welcome to the club. So this is how it looks. Alright, perfect. So this is the container to hold the retainers or aligners. This is the chapstick that they gave me another one. These are 4 teeth bleaching cleaners, whiteners. These are little quotes that they give you, and you can pull them off every so and get a new quote. I thought was really, really cute. Laughter is deliverance. Bubbly salvation. And that was by Anne Lamott. Lamont. I don't know how to pronounce her name. These are chewies. So basically when you put your aligners on, they have a chewy that you can chew on to make them tighter and more fit in your mouth. So that's pretty cool. Then this is a stretcher. They give you a smile stretcher where you can open your mouth as wide as possible to put the aligners on. So it's basically a mouth stretcher. As you guys can see, it stretches your mouth wide open so you can put them on as best as your ability. And then let's get to the shirts. So I'm gonna put my camera down a little bit. There is a drawer that you pull out. Boom, you pull it out. It's a drawer. Now I already took the first one off because I had got it about over a week ago. This video is very late, so I'm doing the best I can. Work with me. I'm new to YouTube, you guys, so hey, welcome. Be nice to me. Month 1, week 1. So that's where the first ones will come in. And it will say that. It said my whole government name there. Hello. My real name is Ashley. For those that do not know me, I'm Ashley, aka Candy Cubana, which is my artist entertainer name. So back to the video. In the drawer, there are basically your whole layout of your smile and how your teeth are going to end up looking. Now, the goal is not to peek and look at these. What they suggest is that there's a little sticker, a purple sticker right here. And on this purple sticker reads, "Patience, fellow grinner. Only pull one set of aligners out at a time." So that's what it says. And then the next one for me will be month 1, week 2. As you guys can see, month 1, week 2. So there's no peeking, there's no cheating, so I just stick that back on and I wait. I wait until I'm done with these and let them do their work and process. Now, I am so excited, you guys, about my journey with this because I've had braces twice, like I said in my previous video, and it's very expensive and it gets very costly when you do not take care of your teeth as far as retaining them, aka your retainers. Do not lose your retainers, boys and girls, because you will waste your money. Okay? Now, some people's teeth are different. Some people may not need retainers like that, and their teeth don't shift and they don't move. Some others, they move. So I gotta retain, you guys. So this is the last go round for me. I'm going to obey. Okay? Let's just say that. I'm going to obey. So this is so exciting. Smile Direct Club, thank you guys so much for giving me a third chance at this and making it possible for me to be able to have a beautiful smile again without the the pains of metal and the whole visible look of metal in your mouth. So I gotta get used to looking at the camera up here, you guys. So, you know, excuse me. I'm too busy looking at myself, trying to make sure, you know, I'm shedding pretty. I gotta make sure I'm shedding pretty. But anyway, thank you guys so much for bearing with me through this, and I will be back with more videos, more updates, and as you can see, you really can't tell that I have them on. Okay, let me stop. So, I'll put some links in the description on inviting people, because there's special rewards with that when I put my code in. And I'm also an Uber driver. Yes, I am. She got to get it. She a hustler, baby. So I will be having my code and putting my code in the description as well. And thank you guys. This is a update unboxings of the Smiles Direct, and I'm excited. So until next time, you guys, thank you. See you later.